Jetzt kommt ein großen Deutsch.
Er ist nur genug Speicher?
Du hast gar nicht was.
Brand new Deutz tractor. First real test. The front axle couldn't handle it. Snapped clean under pressure. Steep slope, light front end. The operator misjudged the balance. Control slipped away, and he missed completely.
As a result, he lost control and missed the mark.
Should he have pulled off the road? Was this a safety test for the cabin? Hard to say. What's clear, that space was way too tight for comfort. But luck held. He walked away clean. Snow-covered roads make everything more dangerous. Traction disappears. Stopping distance doubles. Lucky this didn't end worse than it did. Steep ground, shaky footing. His team fought hard to steady it, but the tractor gave in. It crashed right onto the hay pile it just made.
Оперный театр.
Kirovet's K700 running without its rear axle. That kills traction and power delivery. But somehow, this beast still moves forward anyway.
Now moves.
You don't see something like that every day. Borderline impossible, but it's moving. Fendt 820, pulling out a triple-deck mower, stuck deep in the Gurak fields. Got it out clean. Fast rescue. Machine's back working. Ground's still in good shape. That's smart thinking. Know what your equipment can handle and work within those limits. Happens all the time. The boss won't buy newer equipment, so you're left figuring it out with what you've got. You make it work, or you don't work at all. Universal 651 crossing the river with a full load. Strong drivetrain, good weight balance, it handles tough forestry work without complaint. strong hydraulics, plenty of torque, this tractor handles heavy loads without struggling. Now that's skill right there. Great machine, even better operator. Back to Bison 2012, one of the wildest tractor trials ever held. July 14th, dirt flying everywhere, machines pushed to their limits, pure competition and tradition. T40 versus MTZ 82 inches, a tug of war. Classic tractor versus newer model. Which one do you think wins? Drop your pick in the comments.
Okay, go ahead.
Turbocharged for 2 years and still tearing through snow. This John Deere HPX diesel is pushing 35 to 40 horsepower with 5 to 7 pounds per square inches boost. Running strong, that tractor hauling logs through deep snow looked like it was fighting for every inch of ground.
Trust me, it wasn't going to go well.
The Steyr 8000, 180 with 180 horsepower working at full capacity. Solid tractor that handles heavy jobs reliably. soft ground, wet crops, the JD4730 sank in deep and couldn't move mid-spray. They brought in a tow rig and pulled it out together.